Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. We have been given x squared plus y cubed is equal to 1 and x plus y squared is equal to 1. So we need to find the values of x and y. So let's label our equations. Equation 1 and equation 2. So from there we make x a subject in equation 2. So this is going to become x is equal to 1 minus y squared, and call this equation 3. Then we're going to substitute equation 3 into equation 1. So this is going to become 1 minus y squared plus y cubed is equal to 1. So this is the same as 1 into 1 minus y squared into 1 minus y squared plus y cubed is equal to 1. So we are going to expand this. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times negative y squared is y squared minus y squared plus y to the power 4 plus y cubed is equal to 1. So this is 1 minus 2y squared plus y cubed plus y to the power 4 is equal to 1. So we can rearrange this expression to y to the power 4 plus y cubed minus 2y squared plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So y to the power 4 plus y cubed minus 2y squared is equal to 0. So from this expression, y squared is a common term, so we are going to factor it out. So we are going to have y squared into y squared plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then either y squared is equal to 0 or y squared plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here y is equal to 0. Then for y squared plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, we're going to get the roots of y. So we get any two numbers whereby if multiplied we get negative 2, but if added we get 1. So these two numbers are 2 and negative 1. So we are going to factorize this. So we are going to have y minus 1 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. So either y minus 1 is equal to 0 or y plus 2 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 or y is equal to negative 2. So we have y values as y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, and y is equal to negative 2. So we are going to substitute y values into equation 3. So equation 3 is x is equal to 1 minus y squared. So for y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Then for y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 minus 1 squared. So x here is equal to 0. Then for y is equal to negative 2, x is equal to 1 minus negative 2 squared. X is equal to 1 minus 4. X is equal to negative 3. So for y is equal to 0, we have 1, 0. Then here we have 0, 1. Then for x is equal to negative 3, we have negative 3, negative 2. So therefore xy is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, and negative 3, negative 2. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you in the next video.